All right, I'm going to walk you through a stoichiometry type problem. This question, how many grams of silver are produced when 4.21 grams of copper react with excess silver nitrate? First thing we're going to have to start with is a balanced chemical equation since we're not given that. We've got copper as a reactant with silver nitrate. We got a silver nitrate, single replacement, and since copper is a metal, it's going to switch with silver. So we'll get silver by itself plus CuNO3 2. Now the next thing we're going to need to do is balance this out. There's one copper there, one there, we're good. One silver, one silver. We've got two nitrates on the product side, so we need a 2 there, and then the 2 in front of silver to balance it out. Now, our conversion is that we're starting with the 4.21 grams of copper, and we want to convert that to grams of silver, which is what the question was asking. So I'm going to start my conversion, 4.21 grams of copper. A nice long line here. Since I have grams of copper, I need to bring that unit down. Grams of copper. And the mass of copper, the molar mass of copper, 63.55. And that would be out of 1 mole because I got that mass off the periodic table, which means our units are now moles of copper, so I need to bring that down. And this is my mole ratio where I can convert. I don't want copper in the final answer, so I'm going to convert to silver. And the mole ratio, we've got for every 1 mole of copper, you're going to be getting 2 moles of silver. It's the coefficients in the equation. So 1 mole of copper is 2 moles of silver. And now we're in moles of silver. I need to bring that down because I don't want that in the final answer. And I need to now get the mass up here of silver. And remember, 1 mole of anything, the mass of it, you get off the periodic table. This is 107.87. And then you simply multiply everything on top, divide by everything on the bottom. And significant figures, you've got 3 of them here, 4 there, 5 there. So 3 is your least amount, so we'll have to round our final answer to 3. I'm going to go ahead and get that, 4.21. Remember, using the TI inspires, you can hit Control Divide to get the fraction. And when I did that, I got 14.292. Now, again, 3 significant figures. So we've got 1, 2, 3 right there. So I'm cutting the number. The 9 rounds up. So this becomes 14.3, and then label our answer. And here we had grams of silver as our final unit. That's what the question asked for. And that would be our final answer.